Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is February 8, 2024. Thursday, option expiry for Nifty. The power of technical analysis. First the levels, then we go into the technical analysis. Nifty closed 20,064.70, 1.85% down. Solid big red candle. BankNifty 45,012, 1.76% down. Once again, solid big red candle. Nifty 21,717.95, solid big red candle, just above the Bollinger Middle Band and 20-day exponential moving average. We will go into the details, but before that, the power of technical analysis. What did we say yesterday in our video and also in the caption? We had clearly stated that Nifty, the kind of candle that it has formed, it appears it can either be a continuation or is it a reversal? That's a question we had asked. In fact, we had said that this morning how it opens, basis which we will know how things are going to progress. It opened almost at the middle of the yesterday's candle. But before that, the levels. Yesterday, what did we say? All-time high, which is the Bollinger Upper Band, which is at 22,126 levels. By mistake, we said 22,124 all-time high, but that was the before. It took that level in the month of February by 2 more points, 22,126.15 or something. And we had said that another 50 points should be a safe zone as far as the resistance is concerned. But as far as support is concerned, we had said that the Fibonacci 61.8 will act as a support. It acted as a support for quite some time, but it ultimately Nifty broke below that, but eventually closed slightly below that. 21,730 it closed. The Fibonacci level was yesterday. That's what we had said. You can see the power of technical analysis. So all these levels play an important role. See, it's not that like we are telling about what we told it happened. No, more than that, it is the technical analysis, how powerful technical analysis. That's the important point. Then what I said, whether it happened or not, it is irrelevant. What is technical analysis? How to interpret, how to read the various levels, how to put all these things into structured trading is something very important, particularly if a trader wants to make money. That's the power of technical analysis. Now, without details, let's go into today's market performance. As I said, Nifty, Nifty and Bank Nifty kind of candle it formed. It was sideways with a downward bias. It was clear. But Nifty, the kind of candle that it formed yesterday, I said that, right? It is enabling to form a evening star type candle. That is what precisely it happened. It formed a solid big red candle and just managed to close above the Bollinger Middle Band and 20-day exponential moving average. So that's the power of Bollinger Middle Band. See, Bollinger Middle Band will pull or push up. That's the power. So that's why I tell people, please learn technical analysis. It's very, very powerful tool. So one more thing we have to see here is that Nifty has been rejected twice at the Bollinger upper band. Hence, in this month, if at all it makes one more attempt, it will be a very feeble attempt, then the fall will be severe. So hence one has to be extremely careful in these markets. That's what I have been telling, because in the monthly chart, Nifty has formed a doji in January, which means indecision. After which, if they decide to go, they will move aggressively in the direction in which they have decided to go. They means the market, the demand and supply. So which is why I said that you have to be extremely careful. Yesterday, once again, we highlighted that the banks are weak. IT is also looking that they are exhausted. That is what had happened today, right? IT exhausted. So Nifty had a big fall, thanks to the big fall that happened in ICICI, Kotak and other things. We'll go into the individual analysis. Banks. Bandhan Bank fell 1%, Federal HDFC Bank, IDFC Indus 2% down, Axis and Kotak 3% down, along with ICICI. AU fell 4%. The only exception was Yes Bank, which moved up by 1%, and SBI moved up by 4%. On the financials, everything fell. Bajaj Twins, Chola, IDFC, Jio, L&T Finance, M&M Finance 2% down, Sriram 3% down, Manappuram 4% down, Muthoot 5% down. Insurance and cards next. Insurance and cards, SBI cards and SBI Life 1% down, HDFC Life and ICICI Pru 2% down, LIC had a massive move of 6%. So as you know, the public sector enterprise and government related stocks are moving up significantly. So hence the momentum is there. So it is, people can ride along with that. Oil and Telecom, Bharti 1% up, Reliance remains sideways. IT, Techam, Wipro 1% down, AFL 2% down, HCL, TCS 1% up, Intellect 4% up. In the consumer goods, Berger, Titan, ABFRL 1% down, Asian Paints, Colpal 2% down, Nestle, Britannia down 3% and 4% respectively. Nestle along with the Pidilite fell 3%, Britannia along with ITC fell 4%. Page and PVR 1% up. Trend continued its up move, moving up another 6% this day. Right? And the automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Tata Motors, TVS Motors 1% down. M&M, Maruti Motors 2% down. Eicher 3% down. Metals, Tata Steel and Vedanta 1% down. JSW 2% down. Coal and Hindalco 1% up. Health and Pharma, Cipla, Divi's 1% down. Lalpa 3% down. Metropolis 5% down. Apollo 1% up. In the others category, Adani Ports, IRCTC, Polycab 1% down, L&T, Adani, Ultratech 2% down, Godrej Properties, Nykaa, UPL 3% down, Delta 4% down, Zomato 2% up, Aries 4% up. So as always, like today the market is over, so the new levels will be giving only on Monday. So weekends will be putting global market videos. I request people who want to be particularly having trading as their main source of income, definitely it is possible, very much possible, but learn technical analysis, and learn means it is not just knowing is sufficient, you have to master it. Thank you very much.